Can you imagine we can do our nails so quickly? This is a 3-minute manicure. It's just science at this point. Like, I feel really good when I have my nails done. I need to have them done. It's important to me. But if I do my nails with nail polish, if you do them like that really quick, it doesn't look good. Like, you may as well just not do it because it's frustrating because they get all goopy and like annoying. But press-ons are the wave of the future because they compress the whole process of getting your nails from point A to point B, but they look so good. I have these ombre baby boomer kind of ones, and then I have these like juicy pink. I mean, these are like my heart made into a press-on nail. I love them. I also like these. They're like a little more frosty and cold looking, but very sparkly. I was trying to pick which ones, but I love the fact that these are like sparkly but juicy and jelly. I love the effect. There's one make or break element to this manicure, and that's the frame of the nail, being the cuticle area. If it looks dry or cracked or just very unkept, then it will give like a cheap pop-on nail manicure look, but you can actually make it seem as though you spent $100 on a manicure if you clean it up by trimming it off or pushing it back. So much of the time, this kind of manicure will pop off when you don't want it to if you have a bunch of little microscopic bits of oil and dirt and like nail polish or anything. To secure the nails, we're going to use either nail glue or these nail stickers, which are better if you want just a weekend manicure, something you can take off before the week starts. But irregardless, you have to take a nail polish remover or some rubbing alcohol and just like rub it onto the nail plate to remove the oil. I'm going to use these stickers today. They're so easy to use. You just like put it on and then you take the little clear film off of it. You just pull it off with some tweezers. I find these really good because they do preserve the nail. You can reuse it so many times after this. Pop each nail on and then press it down so that it really secures and adheres. And these are the most beautiful nails ever. I think this particular set is amazing. I keep spares in case some of them pop off or something, but it rarely happens, and keeping the glue and the extras is really good because it gives you peace of mind. This manicure is like childhood dreams on my hands. I hope you guys liked it too. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and watch the next video in my channel. I'll see you very soon. I love you. Goodbye.